Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified. Now let's say you run into issues with your Realtek high definition audio drivers. I have a very quick and easy solution to update your drivers and get rid of the difficulties with your Realtek drivers. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is actually open up the search bar right here and go down to the device manager. Now this will open up the control panel, as you can see right here, and we're looking for the sound, video and game controllers right here. Now use the drop down menu to see all the devices. Here we're going to the Realtek audio device and right click it to press update driver. Now here we have two options, the search automatically for drivers and search my computer for drivers. Now here we're going for the second option, to browse your computer. And here we have a let me pick from a list of available drivers option. Simply open up this option and here you have three options to choose from. Now let's say you don't see these options. Make sure that the show compatible hardware is checked. Now from here we're going to choose the high definition audio device. Simply press next, and what you want to do, you want to press yes. Now once you've pressed yes, it will actually update the drivers for you. And once the drivers have been updated, make sure to restart your PC to actually make sure that the drivers are working properly. Now let's say if this tutorial has helped you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.